as we saw the president, I think 2-3 days ago in Savo, where he was launching a rhino sanctuary there, a conservancy. And of course, we expect him to give some directions today as to how we are going to improve on our tourism sector. And of course, Seth, we also expect to see many people turning up. The stadium is almost full as we speak right now because Kenyans are happy that this thing is coming to Nairobi after quite some time. In June, we were in Homa Bay County, your county,
yes.
And in October, we were in Kitui County.
Yes.
Yeah, and of course, this is going to be a big event. Seth, what do you expect from the president? As a journalist and of course as a Kenyan here at the Nyayo Stadium.
Yes, of course, we expect the president to issue his, patriotic rallying call to Kenyans to be united, and especially after a very tense by-election exercise that, characterized a total of up to 7 constituency or parliamentary by-election and a number of also ward mini polls. So we expect the head of state, that is also the chief guest and the CIC in today's 62nd Jamhuri Day celebration, Dr. Samuel William Ruto, to, lower the political temperature and, call Kenyans together, even ahead of a very major exercise come the 2027 general election. But following the by-election, that saw a section of the political divide, accuse each other and counter-accusation, in regards to who won fairly and all that. We expect the head of state today to take a totally different path in uniting Kenyans and, reminding Kenyans the need to, commemorate the Jamhuri Day celebration. So we expect the president, other than, of course, leading his ruling party, that is the UDA party, in, celebrating the achievement of the by-election. Today we expect him, to now appear as a head of state to all Kenyans, regardless of their political affiliations, and, commemorate the 62nd Jamhuri Day